Alright, so the shipment of 3 broken robots finally came in. So let's see what model they are, what's wrong with them, and let's see if we can fix them. Good thing this seller knew how to diagnose them. I don't know if it was from my videos or their past experience, but we'll see how good of a job they did. Alright, up first we have 750_N with removable wheels. We have, these are all going to be 750 with non-removable wheels. What I mean by that is you can take the wheels off of these without taking the whole body apart. So, this one says bad suction motor. Okay, so let's see. And we can come here and we have a exclamation point and clean. We don't have that error on here, so we'll have to see real quick. This thing's full of sand. Biggest issue with people that use these in sand is they don't clean them. This thing's nasty. And you can see down there, there's plenty of sand in there, so very well could be a suction motor issue. Alright, let's move on to this one. Air says side wheel is stuck. Looks okay, keep setting air. Huh. Okay to me. It's turned every which way. Not loud, exhaust is blowing good, side brushes are moving. Picking up all the debris off the table. Put it in spot clean. It's going forward, reverse. I don't see nothing wrong with this robot. Huh. I can call that one good. Wheels feel good. Brush looks good. Everything looks good on this one. Huh. Track's good. Spin's good. I can call that one good. We'll do some hardcore testing on it later. Bad sensors. I think it's hitting magnetic strip. It goes in circles. This one sounds like it's got a bad brush motor though. Yeah, bearing in this one's brush is a little jacked up. It's catching. That's what we're hearing. So we got another one right here. Let's see if we let the sound to go away. Not making the clicking now. So that one's brush. There's a bad spot in it. You can see it catching. So that's what was wrong with that one. That's an easy way to burn up the motor. Again, I don't see anything wrong with it. Let me put it on the table. That's it. It's going to every corner. It's not stopping. Like, it's turning when it's supposed to with cliffs. Again, I don't see nothing wrong with this robot. So, whoever is selling these doesn't know how to troubleshoot them correctly. Or these are returns and that's what they're saying they're doing. Looks like these stickers might be like an inventory sticker for Amazon seller. 750A. $750. Regular $750. Wheels feel good. Has the wrong brushes on it. That's one thing. These are not the right brushes. Put the right brushes on it. There's a reason the brushes are different on different models. This robot was designed to use these brushes. Yeah, guys, I'm not seeing anything wrong with this robot. Let's see. Let's do a charge test on these. I don't even know if this charger works. If you have a charger with a spot like this, don't use it. I'm using it just because I know it still works. But if you have a burn mark on yours like that, that means it's overheating for some reason and you need to throw it away. But when times are tough, I have other chargers. We'll use this one for now. Let's go ahead and plug her in. Green light's on. Set it right there. Go ahead and dock. This one does work, but I think the light on it broke. We'll see. Yeah, that's what this one was. The light on it broke. I knew it worked because the sit robot's on it. But let me go ahead and grab another charger. Tested these chargers, so let's see. Now these are 750 bots. I don't know if they take the same charger or not. Yeah, they do. Whether it's sensor or not, it's the same. I don't know. Let's see. If not, I do have a 750 charger laying around. Yeah, all right. Let me go grab a 750 charger, not a 750N. All right, I'm back. This is a 750 charger, not 750N. It has a removable plug for plugging into the robot. Let's see if it docks. And Dachshund charges. Let's try the next one. So all the sensors for the charger are in the front. So it's not going to even look for it until it turns its way. This sends out a beam of light to those sensors. That one's charging too. So 2 robots are good and 1 is bad. So we'll do more with the 750 that's not working right. So out of the 3 robots, 2 regular 750s seem to be working fine. We did have run brushes on that one and a bad roller, but this is the one that has the issues. It's clogged with sand. So we will do another video on this, on taking it apart and how to clean it all out and get parts. So thanks for watching.